Hello, Psycholegs. I'm here to present a new discovery by the Royal Academy of Science. Now on to our spokesperson, Mounty Mitchell.
Hello, Dwayne. Been there, done that. Ta-ta. Excuse me. Today, some important news of historical nature was found from a once unseen and historic clips from the archives of Jane Goodall in the Amazon rainforest.
Darwin was a fool. I repeat, evolution in the theory is totally not true. Darwin was a fool. Don't believe anything he says.
As proof, I offer you the following historical clip. I truly could not have made it to where I am today without my disposable thumbs. I thank you.
Thank you for watching the Nature Channel. Have a good evening, one and all. Just a yoke, man. Just a yoke. Hope you're doing well. Look forward to seeing you soon, buddy. Bye.